Good evening, friends. Pradeep Pendyala, Professor of Anesthesiology from Ashram. Today, dear students, especially postgraduate students, I'm going to tell you how to pass MD or MS exams with distinction. Yes, you have heard it correctly. How to pass MD exams with distinction. How to prepare for the theory and the viva. The tricks are very simple. The methodology will be very easy to follow. Please listen to me for next few minutes very carefully. Eat the bigger frog first. Believe it or not, eat the bigger frog first. Identifying and completing your most difficult chapter first in the morning should be most important thing you should do. Rather than keep on practicing and reading the things which you already know and already have adequate knowledge, there's no point wasting that time. Read the things which you have not understood well, which you have not prepared well. Read those topics first. Eat the frog first, the bigger frog first thing in the morning. Understand? And never forget the 80-20 rule. Now, what is this 80-20 rule? Always remember that 80% of the questions would be coming from 20% of the chapters and the topics. And what are those 20% of the chapters in the entire syllabus? 20% of the chapters are the most unexpected chapters, the most difficult questions which you have not understood well. Always remember that. So prepare for those 20% of questions well, which you have not prepared yet. Because the 80%, especially in the Viva, 80% of the questions would come from those 20% of the chapters which you have not understood well yet. Okay? And understanding the topic well is more important than memorizing. Always remember, the concept should be clear. Try to understand a chapter. That is very important rather than memorizing and by-hearting a chapter. And the next important message which I wanted to convey is the mnemonics. Mnemonics always help. Make a mnemonic for all the important points of a topic, and the mnemonic should be very simple, which relates with you and which you can easily remember. Okay? And whenever you have prepared a topic, try to explain the topic to your colleague, your roommate, your buddy. That's the best way to understand the topic. Okay? Never try to do night owl study. Please try not to spend more time in the late hours in the night. Preferably do your reading and preparation in the daytime. And you should have adequate sleep. Sleep is the best thing to prepare well. And never forget, adequate sleep. 5 to 7 hours of sleep is a must. Any time, any day. And always have good nutritious diet. Don't fall sick before the exams. Have nutritious diet. And for preparing the theory, always prepare writing the answers of difficult questions on the previous 10 years of questions. Write down the answers in the scheduled time limit. Have a great day. Wish you all the best. Thank you.